So hello guys, today in this video we will learn about parseInt, parseFloat, number and string. So what is parseInt? So if there is any string, suppose if there is any string like 100 pixel, and now what I want is I want to extract the number from this string. So for that we are using a parseInt. So what actually parseInt will do? It will forcefully extract the number from a string. So if I consider this 100 pixel, okay. So what actually parseInt will do? It will extract the number and I will get output as 100. Now, what happen is it will start searching for number from starting. So if in starting, if parseInt will encounter any alphabetical value, it will return not a number, right? And if I pass any floating value inside a string, and if I use parseInt here, then also it will return me what? It will return me integer value, means 99. I will get 99 as an output. Okay. So let's see this in action. Okay. First I have to comment it out. So you will see I will get 100. It will extract 100 from it. And if we encounter any alphabetical value, it will give not a number. And if there is any floating value, it will only extract the integer value. Now same it will work with floating value. So for floating value, we will use parseFloat. Okay. So inside parseFloat, if I write something like 99.5 kg here, so it will return me what? It will only extract whatever the floating value is. So what is floating value here? 99.5. And if he encounters any alphabetical value in starting, then it will return me not a number, right? So let's see this. I will get 99.5 and not a number. Now there is two more thing. One is number and another one is string. So number is used to convert a string into a number. What if I write something like this 45.5, and if I passed this inside a number constructor, it will return me 45.5. Otherwise anything whatever written inside, suppose if I write 45.5 here and if I write px, then it will return me not a number. Means the number is used to convert a string number into a integer or a float, right? And anything other than this will return me not a number. So let's see this in action. So if I write number and I write 45 here, in next example if I write 45.5, and after that I will add the pixels. So you will see this, I will get 45 here because it will convert a string into a number, so I will get 45 here. And after that, if there is any floating or integer value, then if there is any floating value also, it will convert it into number. So I got 45.5. And otherwise, if anything will be added except number, then it will return me not a number. So this is how we can use a number constructor. Number constructor is used to convert a string into a number. And also there is a string constructor which is used to convert number into a string. So if I log string and then inside that I will pass 45, I will get 45. So if I check what is the type of it, you will see I got string. If I pass any Boolean value here, suppose if I pass true here, then also I will get a string. And if I remove the type from here, you will see I got true, which is a type of string. So this is all about parseInt, float, number, and a string. So thank you guys.